So, in the series of these lockdowns, I don't think educational institutions will be opened before July, and the NEET examination dates and mains examination dates are also announced. I think in the third week of July, mains examination will be happening, say series of examinations. And in July 26th, I think, NEET examination will be conducted. These are the tentative dates. So, these dates may extend also, but preponement is not possible. And before that July, definitely educational institutions cannot be opened. And for the students who are writing NEET and mains examinations, so you can avail these online classes. So already there is a batch which is going on from the last 1 month. So 40% of both plus one of the total syllabus, 40% is completed. So again you can join in the same batch, and after completing all plus one and plus two syllabus, then this remaining 40% which has been completed until today, that will be completed after completing the total syllabus for the new students which will join in these 2 or 3 days. So, and the fee structure for them is same, just like what we have taken for the first batch, the ongoing batch of students. It is 3,000 per one subject. So physics and chemistry will be going on. So this is about NEET and JEE mains and advanced students. And similarly, foundation classes, already there is one batch which is going on for 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th students. So we are planning to conduct second batch of students starting from May 8th, and the classes will end after 30 days. That is, classes will go on up to June 5th. So here, the basic concepts of NEET mains and advanced level will be taught here. For example, if you take physics, basics are vectors, units and dimensions, kinematics in 1 dimension, kinematic in 2 dimensions. So these topics will be completed. Similarly, related topics in maths and chemistry also will be completed up to advanced level. Clear, ma? So, and the fee structure for this second batch of students will be 1,500 for a time of 1 month. Okay, so you can avail this opportunity. Similarly, and from June 10th onwards, we are planning to conduct regular batch also. Regular batch in the sense that will be a 1-year program. So it will be for 10th students, 11th and 12th students also. They can join in this course. Again, the subjects will be physics and chemistry up to advanced level. And fee structure for this one is 12,000 per one subject for a time of 1 year. Okay, and this batch will start from June 10th onwards. And similarly for foundation batch also, we have planned different batches here. So this first batch and second batch, excellence batch 1 and excellence batch 2. So these are the batches for offline students. Students who come to the classes in offline, that is who come to the classes, for them these are the fee structures. So this 30,000 batch 1 students, fee structure is 30,000. So they will be joined in some school whose timing is very less. For 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 students I am saying about now. For example, if their student school timings are 9:30 to 4:30, from morning 5 to 9 o'clock they will be present with us. And similarly from evening 5 to night 9 o'clock they will be present with us. Totally a time of 7 to 8 hours they will be spending with us. And similarly, Sundays and holidays also they will be along with us. So, for example, if a student joins in 7th class, so 7, 8, 9 and 10, 4 years. In these 4 years, we divide the total syllabus of mains and advanced examinations into 4 parts. So, in each year, 50% of the syllabus will be completed. So, I don't like to say the term completed because we are not interested in just completing the syllabus. We are interested in inducing the subject into the brains of the child, into the brain of the children. Clear? Are you able to understand, ma? So, therefore, for these students, the fee structure will be 30,000. And for these students, we will, for academic, in academic syllabus, maths and English also, we will teach that. and remaining subjects they can cope up. And for the second batch of students, for them they can join in any institute, any school they like. So for them timings are just morning 5 to 7 o'clock and evening 6 to 9 o'clock. So 5 hours time they will be spending with us. Evening 6 to 9 classes will be going on, and in the morning session they will have practice for 2 hours. And for these people also, Sundays and holidays they will be present with us. Clear? So in this remaining time, so daily classes will be of 3 hours. 1 period mathematics, 1 period physics, and 1 period chemistry. And for NEET students, instead of mathematics, they will be having biology. So in remaining total time, they will be practicing, they will be discussing the concept with us. So we will ask the students to discuss that concept to me, or to explain that particular concept to the teacher. Clear? And more number of problems they can do without seeing any solution. So for these 2 batches are only for offline classes. So that is for the students who visit the institute and who take the classes. Similarly, along with them, a online class also will be conducted. This batch we call it as Rankers batch, and this batch is for 1 year long program. And again, students of 6th, 7th will be put in one section, and 8th and 9th will be put in one section. And similarly, there is an ongoing batch also which was conducted last year. So that ongoing batch also will be going on simultaneously, and they will have only classes. They will not be having any study hours or any practice sessions. So for these people, the fee structure will be 15,000, and every Sunday there will be an examination which will be conducted in online. So those students, they can join this batch. Clear? So similarly, year-long program also I think I have discussed. Year-long batch for 10th, 11th and 12th students also I think I have discussed. Fee structure for them is 12,000 for each batch. So this is the fees for both online and offline. So, and for those students who are attending offline, for these 10th, 11th and 12th students also, every Sunday and every holiday they will be engaged with us. So right from morning 6 o'clock to night 9 o'clock, they will be practicing continuously the syllabus which we have taught. So they can practice in many books. We have a good library here. So from this library, they can practice any book. And concept, when we ask them to explain the concept, they should come and explain the concept to us. Clear, ma? So this is their fee structure, and these are our account details. Account number is, name is S. Kiran Basha. Account number 338454867009. IFSC code is SBIN 0001902. Clear? So utilize this opportunity. So syllabus will be explained very beautifully and in a planned manner. So if you can attend this ongoing batch for NEET and mains examinations, so very thoroughly you can understand the subject. And in addition to that, if you can practice the theory many number of times and do a huge number of problems, doing at least 60, 70, 80, 100 problems related to that particular concept daily, then definitely I hope you can be selected in the final examinations. You will get that ability to crack the examination. Okay, thank you.